What's up, guys? This is 2014 Topps Museum Collection box break number 13 for AMC Breaks. In this break, we have a missing person. Hold on. Forgot to add somebody. There we go. Got him. Alright, Servando T. That's who we were missing. Okay. So, we have Kyle I, Doug F, Gary W, Brandon B, and Servando T. This is for a division draft order. We're going 6 times, guys. Good luck. Five and 6. There is our draft order. So Doug F is on the clock. Let me check my text to see who he wants. Probably the NL Central. Right, he's going with the NL Central. Okay, Kyle I. I think Kyle's going to go with the NL West. Correct? And Gary W, you're on the clock twice now. I think Gary's going to go with the NL East. Yep, going with the East. AL and NL East. Servando, you're on the clock. AL West. And Brandon B, White Sox fan, gets the AL Central. Kind of fitting, I suppose. So if anybody wants to make any trades, now's the time to do so. I'm going to go ahead and get the packs out. And if you guys made any trades, I can put those in. Let's hope we get a case hit, guys. We're at 50%. We got to stay up above 50. Yeah, good luck, everybody. I'm hoping we get a case hit. We are 6 for 12 on case hits so far. I got 2 more boxes coming on Wednesday, guys, a museum, and 3 more jumbo boxes of Bowman. That is on Wednesday. 2 museum, 3 jumbo Bowman. Alright, guys. Alright, we'll do the packs in this order. Yeah, good luck, everybody. Here we go. What's up, Captain Coyote? We got 2 left in Bowman Jumbo. Actually, wait. Yeah, Jim didn't get them. We got 2 left in Bowman Jumbo if anyone's interested. 2 left to fill. All cards shipped tomorrow, including base. Troy Tulowitzki, copper base parallel. Yasiel Puig, base. Jordan Zimmerman. Our canvas collection card is Wade Boggs. Looks like Wade Boggs. There is the back. And our first hit is, for the Blue Jays, a jumbo relic. 6 of 35, Adam Lind for the Blue Jays. That's the AL East going to Gary W. Gary W with the AL East. Alright, next pack we have Billy Hamilton, 73 of 199, green parallel base. NL Central going to Doug F. Jose Fernandez, John Smoltz, Yoenis Cespedes, and our next hit is Taijuan Walker, 289 of 299. Dual signature swatches, Taiwan Walker for the Mariners. That's the AL West going to Servando T. Congrats, Servando. All right, pack number 3. We have Paul Goldschmidt, copper base parallel. Rod Carew. James Shields. Devin Mesoraco, excuse me. And our next hit is for the Cardinals, Shelby Miller. 27 of 99. Shelby Miller. That's the NL Central going to Cardinals fan Doug F. Congrats, Doug. Some PC love. Guys, I just want to say in advance that this pack is heavy. Before I rip it open, I just want to say I think we have a frame. Just saying. Alright. We have a frame, guys. We have a frame. I have no idea, man. There's 2 case hits per box, or per case. Okay, we have not Mike Schmidt. Gary, you got me saying the wrong thing. Travis d'Arnaud, copper base parallel. We have Starling Marte for the Pirates. Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Andre Dawson, and our case hit is numbered out of 10. 10 of 10. Holy smokes. Boom. Mike Trout, 10 of 10. Silver frame autograph going to Servando T. That's tweet-worthy. This is good enough to tweet, I think, guys. Mike Trout, silver frame autograph, 10 of 10. hey, Regis, you already know, man. You already know that there's an autograph coming, or a picture coming. Very nice. Mike Trout. So, quick hit recap, guys. Let's not get off track. Mike Trout, silver frame autograph, 10 of 10. It is a Kodak moment. Shelby Miller, 27 of 99, quad relic. Taiwan Walker, 289 to 299, dual signature swatch autograph for the Mariners. And for the AL East, 6 of 35, Adam Lynn jumbo relic. Thanks, guys, for getting in. The screen might go black for about 5 seconds.